Good day, everyone. My name is James Ken Arboniel.
Good day, everyone. My name is Vandal Alzundi Flores.
Good day, everyone. I am Kian Zenric Villagado.
And I am Lilian D. Kamay.
In this video, we talk about real-life problems in math. Direct variation. The amount of clothes needed to be folded varies directly to the time consumed. If the amount of clothes is 30 and takes 15 minutes to fold, how many amount of clothes can be folded in 30 minutes? Variable assignments. A. Amount of clothes. T. Time. Mathematical statement. A equals to KT. Finding K. A equals to KT. Substitute the value. 30 over 15 equals 15 over 15K. Divide both sides by 15. Value of K is K equals to 2. Equation of variation. A equals to 2T. Finding A. Substitute the values. A equals to KT. Multiply by A equals to 2 and 30. Value of A equals to 60. Concluding statements. The amount of clothes folded in 30 minutes is 60.
Inverse variation. The number of chairs C in classroom A1 varies inversely in the space of between them. If the number of chairs is 6 and the space between them is 14, find the number of chairs if the space between them is 12. Variable assignment C. Number of chairs S space. Mathematical statement C equals to K over S. Equation of variation C equals to 84 over S. Finding K C equals to K over S. Substitute the value C equals to K over 14. Multiply 14 and 6. 6 times 14 equals to K. Value of K 84. Find C. C equals to K over S. Substitute the values. C equals to 84 divided by 12. Value of C equals to 7. Concluding statement. The number of chairs between the space is 7.
Joint variation. A traveling ship uses a certain amount of oil as it travels on a uniform speed and varies jointly with its distance and the pace of speed. If the ship uses 150 barrels of oil and traveling 100 miles at 24 miles per hour, how many barrels are used when the ship travels 200 miles at 30 miles per hour? Variable assignment. A equals amount of oil, D equals distance, S equals pace of speed. Mathematical statement. A equals KDS, equation of variation. A equals 1 over 16 ds. Finding K. A equals KDS. Substitute the value and multiply 100 to 24. 150 equals K 100 times 24. Divide both sides by 2,400. 150 over 2,400, 2,400, 2,400. Value of K. K equals 1 over 16. Find A. Substitute values. A equals KDS. Multiply 230. A equals 1 over 16, 230. Multiply 6,000 and 1 over 16. Value of amount of oil equals 375. Concluding statement. The amount of barrels used when the ship travels 200 miles at 30 miles per hour is 375.
Combined variation. The power of a desktop computer varies directly to the amount of work and inversely to the amount of time used. If the computer consumes 400 watts power in 2 hours time and has 1,600 joules, which is the work done, how many watts does the computer consume when the amount of time used is 4 hours and has 2,000 joules? So its variable assignment is P is power, T is time, and W is work. Mathematical statement. P is equals to KW over T. So in finding K, we use the formula P is equals to KW over T. Then we substitute the value and P is equals to 400, W is equals to 1,600, and T is equals to 2. Next is we multiply 402 and then we get 800. Next is we divide 1,600. So We divide 1,600 to both sides. So 800 over 1,600 equals 1,600 divided by 1,600k. So we find the value of k, which is 1 over 2. The equation of variation. P is equals to 1/2 W over T. So in here we are finding the value of power. So to find P, we use the formula again. P is equals to KW over T. Then we substitute the values, and the K, which is the constant of variation, is now 1/2, and the W is 2000, and the 4 is the time. So we will multiply first 1/2 and 2000. Next is we divide 1000 over 4. So the value of P is 250. Concluding statement. The power of a desktop computer is 250 when the amount of time consumed is 4 hours and has 2000 joules.